Threads, that was launched by Meta in July 2023, created a lot of buzz initially. The app reached the milestone of 100 million users within a week of its launch. Many even compared it to Twitter and saw it as a rival to the latter, now called X. However, the app is now witnessing a decline in the daily active users. According to the data by Similarweb, Threads app usage has reduced by 79% after a month. The report reveals that Threads Android app peaked at 49.3 million daily active users worldwide on July 7. However, on August 7th, the daily active users were down to 10.3 million. The average amount of time daily active users spent with the app declined to just 3 minutes by August 7. Initially, it was about 14 minutes globally and 21 minutes in the United States. The numbers surely indicate a setback for the Meta-owned platform that came in with a bang and could be joined with simple steps if you have an Instagram account, using the same credentials. Users can import the details such as profile photo, name, bio, etc. using the Instagram account. The app allows users to post text-based content and join public conversations. As per Meta, posts can be up to 500 characters and include links, photos, and videos of up to 5 minutes. It is available to both Android and iOS users. Interestingly, while traffic has declined on the app, deleting a Threads account is not a feasible option, as that would delete the user's Instagram account. According to Instagram head Adam Mosseri, Meta is working on a solution to enable users to delete their Threads accounts separately. Till then, users can deactivate their Threads account, which will hide their profile and content on the platform. What do you think is the reason for the decline in users for Threads? Tell us in the comments. And stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech.